Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever part of the world that you're watching me from. It's a pleasure to be with you this morning as we analyze the new week ahead of us. I hope you still maintain the energy to learn, the energy to earn, and the energy to make progress. This last week I didn't take any trade because I have been waiting for BTC USD to really come back to the downward movement. That's why I kept on setting price alert. You can see a price alert here. But for this week it was just, let me say, retracing and just going up and down. So I didn't really take any trade. I'm still very much patient with the market. I wanted to form a kind of double top here and start reversing. So that's what I have been waiting for, and I hope to see that this week. But so far it's all about just waiting and waiting and waiting, and if it begins to go bearish, I can extend the TP as far as this point, as far as getting to this point. So that is how much I am waiting for this market to move in the according to the major trend. That's for BTC USD. For XAU or XAG USD, I said that I was waiting for the market to get to this point before I start buying. But even when market got to this point, sometime this previous week, I was reluctant to buy because there's something about gold that I've noticed that if you're not careful, even when your analyses are right, you can still hit stop loss before the market begins to obey you. So I am looking closely at XAU USD and XAG USD before I can either ever take a trigger of buy or whatever decision I'm taking. If you look at it, it started buying from here, and I was waiting. This for the XAG USD. I was waiting for it to get to this zone because on a weekly time frame, this has been a major resistance on a major support. This is a support on a weekly time frame that I know the market will get to and start moving back. But if I'll be buying from here, I'll really look at it closely. Same thing applies to XAU USD. I'll really be looking closely. From the weekly time frame, you can see that it has reached the support level. It even broke below the previous major support, weekly support. Let me call it weekly support. And it got here and started going up. So one has to be careful when trading this particular set of pairs because being right is not enough. Actually entering the market when you should and leaving the market when you should is what matters. So this week I keep myself on the watch. I keep watching, keep checking to see the trades I'll be taking. I'm really focused on this BTC USD and watching out also for XAU USD and XAG USD to see what can come up. Other pairs are really choppy now. GBP USD, USD JPY, that's one of my popular pair that I trade, but it's really choppy now, so that's why I have not been around. And subscribe, share and like. Thank you.